Come with me.
And you'll be in no
Today is the day you were brought into this world to be a blessing and inspiration to the people around you because you are such a wonderful person. So I ask your friends, family, and even some of my friends to have a short video greeting para sa'yo, and I hope you like it. Happy birthday!
traveling in the world of my creation.
As a student, how can you show your love for the world?
Number one.
I will be a good citizen as well a good neighbor to everyone.
Ernest, happy birthday sa'yo pre. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang grateful at thankful ko na naging kaibigan kita. Salamat sa lahat. Sobrang maaasahan mo sa lahat. Yun lang, more blessings and birthday to come. Mag-iingat ka parate sa mga pag-drive mo. Dito lang kami ng tropa para supportahan ka sa pagtakbo mo tsaka sa iba pa. Yun lang, birthday ulit.
Happy birthday Kuya Mix. Love ka namin ni Marcus. Bye!
Hi, Ernest.
Sabi tayo.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, Ernest.
Wait. 1, 2, 3. Hi Ernest! Happy birthday! Sana magbago ka.
Hi Kuya Miguel, this is Nea. Happy birthday, enjoy your day, and more birthdays to come.
Yo, happy birthday ET Sports. Wala na akong masabi sa'yo pre. Galingan mo lang palagi man. Enjoy your day. Syempre God bless. Ingat kayo palagi ni Titaan. Syempre yung bago mong girl. Ingatan mo man. Alam mo yan.
Hi, Pre. Happy birthday. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kuya Migs. May the Lord guide and bless you always. We love you, Kuya Miguel. Mwah.
Hi Ernest! Birthday mo pala. Happy birthday, pre.
Laan mo, sino to? Laan mo, sino babati sa'yo? Birthday! Sana... Happy birthday, Ness. Sana magtagal pa kayo ni Marjorie kahit... hanggang gusto nyo.
Kahit ano?
Sana di kayo mag-break. Tapos sana mababa ang buhay mo.
Ilis ng ibon?
Oo, tama yan. Happy birthday, Ness, with the N-E-S-T. More birthdays to come, and God bless you and God bless everyone.
Yo, Ness, happy birthday, no? Wish ko sa'yo is good health and stay happy lang lagi, and see you soon. More road trips to come, and sana matuloy ng mga gala natin. Magpaita ka na. Happy birthday ulit, eat ka lagi, and good luck sa studies. Thank you sa lahat.
Hi Nest! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, and sana matuloy-tuloy na yung mga drawing nating gala. Ayan, andito lang kami lagi for you. One shot away lang kami. Love lots!
Hi, Ernest. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best in gala soon. Ingat palagi.
Hi Ernest, happy birthday. Lagi mo tatandaan na lagi lang kami nandito ni Gob. More birthdays to come. Stay kind, stay healthy, stay true. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Mama Chup Chup.
Hi, Mix. So, ayun. Nasa fire exit ako. Kasi hindi ko alam kung saan akong video. Anyways, first of all, happy birthday. Tapos, wait lang, may kode ko. Tapos, I'm really happy and grateful sa'yo kasi you're always there for my best friend when I'm not. And sobrang na-appreciate ko and thankful ako sa mga efforts and mga nagawa mo sa best friend ko and for making her the happiest woman in the whole world. Ayan. Tapos, mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo para humaba ang imong relationship sa aking best friend. So, ayun, stay strong and good luck sa studies and sa mga marathons mo. Stay healthy para makapagkotse ng maayos. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, ingat ka palagi and huwag mong sasaktan kaibigan ko kasi ang dami mong mga kalaban. Ikaw, ayusin mo. Anyways, ayun lang. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. So, ayun. Happy birthday!
Hi Mix, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Makialagaan na lang si March.
Happiest birthday, Miss. I wish you all the best in life. I know you're already in college and you're probably gonna encounter like different challenges, especially when you're dealing with like major subjects. So my advice is for you not to give up, focus on your goals, and keep on praying. So please enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you soon.
Happy birthday, Nak. 20 ka na. I thank God kasi ikaw ang binigay sa akin na anak. I'm truly blessed na ikaw ang naging naman sa akin. Sana makagraduate ka ng maayos na. Palagi mong tandaan dito lang si Mami para sa'yo. Love na love ka naman. Love you, Nak. Amen.